Have you ever wondered how to give your thermal a proper deep clean? I'm James from the Thomas Jack support team, and this is our 1-minute guide to cleaning your thermal to get rid of the grime and the smells it collects over time. Before you start, protect the battery compartment, the USB port and the objective lens. I've done a separate guide here on lens care if you need it. For cleaning and degreasing, we use spray-on foam cleaner. Check it's suitable for computer equipment like this one that costs about £5. You'll also need an old toothbrush, a microfiber cloth or cotton cleaning pads and cotton buds, all lint free, so no annoying fibres and avoid anything that might scratch. Spray on foam cleaner about the size of a 10p. Wait 10 seconds for it to loosen the dirt, then agitate with the toothbrush before wiping off with a cloth or cotton pad. That looks disgusting. In no time, you've done the whole body. If your foam cleaner is okay for upholstery, like this one, clean the straps. Finally, the eyepiece. Extend the diopter to get in this gap, or right in here, for this type of eyepiece. This time, soak a cotton bud with foam so none gets on the lens. If it does, just wipe it off straight away. Work carefully, replacing cotton buds as needed. And if you've got eye cups like this, apply foam to a cotton pad or cloth and wipe clean. That's it, good enough to use without worrying where it's been or what that funny smell was. If that was helpful, share it, give us a comment, or for more 1-minute tips from me, James at Thomas Jacks, click on the I or subscribe.